Every city has new money and old money neighborhoods, and this is Old Money Neighborhood of Enugu, home to top businessmen, top politicians, and Igbo elites. This is GRA Enugu. GRA is one place in Enugu that will make you feel at home with a social life that is so exciting. Enugu has been argued to be one of the most beautifully planned cities in Nigeria, but GRA is arguably the most serene and the most beautifully planned part of Enugu. Built largely in the 1920s as a residential quarters for the Europeans after the discovery of coal in Enugu, today GRA serves as a residential area as well as a business district of the city. Join me as I take you guys on a tour around the neighborhood. We are on Garden Avenue heading to Okpara Avenue. This is the business district of the city. This is where most businesses and government ministries are located, and all the financial institutions in the city have their branches here all the way to Market Road. We are currently on Okpara Avenue off Kingsway Road, and this is where almost all the ministries and commissions of the state have their offices. And the building we are seeing right here is Enugu State Secretariat. Right now we are on Lugard Avenue off Abakaliki Road, and we will be connecting to Park Lane from here. Park Lane is where the Enugu State University Teaching Hospital is located, and from there we'll drive through Atlantic Avenue to Forest Crescent down to River Lane. So we are still on Park Lane. If we drive right, we'll be heading to Park Avenue, which will lead us to Polo Park Mall. But we will be driving left. As you can see, this is Park Lane General Hospital, Enugu State, also known as the Enugu State Teaching Hospital. So we'll be driving through Atlantic Avenue. From there, we'll head to River Lane. This part of GRA is more of a residential area. From there, we'll connect to Enugu State Chamber of Commerce, the new Enugu State Chamber of Commerce, where the trade fair complex is located in a Gulf Estate. Right now we are at In Enugu Nigeria Avenue, located at Golf Estate. This is where Enugu State Golf Club is located, and by the right is a trade fair complex. Right now we are at Ekulu Road. This road links GRA to Ekulu, another top residential part of the city. But right now we are heading back to Savage Crescent, and from Savage Crescent we now link back to Abakaliki Road.
First time I ever saw you, I fell in love when you entered the room. And when the light hit your face, we were just kids, but I knew right away that I will be with you until I stop breathing. I will keep loving you as long as my heart's beating. Oh, hold me close, promise you won't let go. I'm nothing without you, I don't know what I would do without you. You are the one I choose, I wanna grow old with you. I'm nothing without you, I don't know what I would do without you. I'm still in love with the way that you smile. And when I look in your eyes, I know that I will be with you the rest of my life. I will be with you until I stop breathing. I will keep loving you as long as my heart's beating. Nothing without you, I don't know what I would do I'm nothing